What's good with y'all? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 18. Per the title of the video, you already know I'm unboxing the Gamma Jordan 11s. Of course, Gammas, what do you guys call them? Last unboxing, when I was unboxing the Black Cat 4s, you knew I said I was headed and I was destined to get these Gamma 11s. Now, I'm not even gonna lie, I didn't know I got these. I entered like the early entry poll, ordered them the 11th, and my account actually still says they're processing. So originally I thought, okay, I went through, payment went through all of that, and then I thought it's the 18th. So like, but then I got home, seen them at my doorstep. I was like, it's lit. So I haven't ordered any other shoes, but I'm really hoping that these are the Jordan 11s, because I haven't ordered any other shoes. So these definitely need to be the Jordan 11s. Let's just go ahead and unbox these real quick. I heard that they're not in like the OG box, which is very upsetting. They in a lit box still. Hold on. I opened them up. 7.5. I thought I got an 8. 7.5 will work, but I really thought I got an 8. Anyways, it's a cool box, but it's definitely not the OG box. So I did get a 7.5 men. Let's see. And this box like beat up. Like, what did this box go through? They did me wrong. I'm glad I put my stuff in there, but like, dang. All right, let's just go ahead. Okay. They gave me some holiday stickers. Now that's cool, but that's not what we're here for. I'm peeking at them, y'all. Ready? Ready? I've been wanting these. Like, what? Wow. Wow. These are beautiful. Oh my goodness. Did you guys cop these? Like, these are insane. Wow. Y'all ready for the debate of the video? Gamma or Legend Blues? This is gonna be a tough one. Gamma or 11 Blues? I can't reach them. Legend Blues or Gammas? That's the debate of the video. Drop it down in the comments. Is y'all going Gammas or Legend Blues? Like, I feel like my younger self would have definitely went Legend Blues. But I'm not gonna lie, seeing these in person, I'm probably gonna go Gammas. Insane. Like, I'm not gonna, like, I'm speechless. Wow. I didn't think they were gonna look that good. So crazy. So crazy. My babies. Oh shit. Well, yeah. Let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comment section. I'm pretty sure I got kind of every shoe. Like, I was kind of late, I'm not gonna lie, this year. I'm not exactly sure what everything dropped this year, but I think I got my biggest ones, which was obviously the Legend Blues, the Black Cats. Did the Black Cat 3s come out this year? I think they might have. I think they did. So I got the Black Cat 3s, Black Cat 4s, Legend Blues, and then the Gammas. I think were really all I wanted this year. I got the 14s were a classic though too. That dropped back out. Y'all, I fucked these up though. I wore them in the snow. I gotta get those cleaned. That's beside the point, y'all. These are fire. I'm not gonna lie. So I think that wraps up my sneaker buying of this year. I've seen that those, what are they called? I think they're called like the Fire Red 8s or something that's dropping out soon. I got the early release on those, but I did not cop them. Let me know if you guys would have copped those. Like I said, I think I'm done. I'm kind of done for this year. I need a break. You ever buy so many shoes and then you're like, let me chill out. But then the shoes come around and you're like, chill out on what? What is there to chill out on? Because that's literally me. Let me know your guys' thoughts down below. As always, make sure to smash that like button. Comment down below what you guys want to see or what you cop. Did you cop these or did you not? Legend Blues or Gammas? Let me know. Get to stay positive, and you know I'll be back for more videos. Bye. Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gonna step. That shit that you just put out, you could have kept.